Hello, everybody. How are you? Hope you are doing well. Ha ha ha. Well, what else is Lady P coming to talk about? All right, we're going to talk about Chia tea. Chia tea. Chia tea. CHAI. Well, the Asians, they call it Chia tea. It's actually spice tea. So these are the ingredients. I have my teacup here. I have cloves, whole cloves. I have cardamom powder. Yeah, I've just got about a teaspoon left in there. I have my grated cinnamon. I have my ginger, which is antibacterial. Okay, it can act like antibacterial, antimicrobial. I've got ginseng and ginger tea bag. I have my Ceylon tea. This is black Ceylon tea. Let me show it to you. It's Ceylon black tea, one of the best black teas in the world on the market. I have almond tea with no sugars. Right. And honey will be sweetened with honey. All right, so let's go. 1, 2, 3. I've got my pot on the stove. Going to shake this and measuring about a mug full. So let me measure my mug. Yeah, it's good to measure things. Oh yeah. Okay, you can see it's hot. I'm going to put the Ceylon tea in. Put cloves. Oh gosh, I love the smell of cloves. Clove powder is good. Or cloves actually is also good for the immune system. It fights bacteria, in the gut, and it also helps your dental health. You can chew it after brushing your teeth. You can chew one or chew just few to fight inflammation in the gum. Okay, this is the ginseng herbal infusion. It's ginseng and ginger, so I'm going to add it to it. All right, I'll leave it to the boil. When it starts boiling, then I'll add my cloves, my cardamom and cinnamon and a ginger in there. So let me leave it to boil a bit. Okay, I don't have honey, so I'm going to put in my brown sugar. Yeah, I realize my honey is finished, so I'm going to put in brown sugar. This would be like 2 teaspoons. I'm not going to add all. Okay, stir it. This is almond milk. You can use coconut milk to do it. You can use oat milk. So I'll leave it to boil for a while. Okay, now you can see this is heating up. I'm going to add the cardamom. I'm going to add all. Then I'm going to add the cinnamon. Add cinnamon. I'm going to add ginger. Add ginger. I'm going to stir all in. Going to cover it, leave it for another 3 minutes to infuse. Then it will be ready. Then I'll pour it out. Let's see. Oh wow, you can see it's ready. 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 Ready, 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 ready. Ready, ready, ready. The aroma is so beautiful, so sweet. You know, it's fresh. My goodness, I can't wait to. What word can I use? Gobble this inside my system. Guys, this is one of the healthy teas you can have. Okay, Chia tea, spice tea. Prepare it yourself. If you don't have the time to put on the stove, just boil the hot water, pour it in your mug, add the ingredient, leave it to infuse about 3 to 5 minutes, strain it, and then bingo, you are gone. You can drink, you can have it with bread, have it with syrup biscuit, yeah, for breakfast, or have it like tea time, brunch, drink it during the day or in the evening after meals. Fantastic. Now we're going to strain this. Oh yeah? We're going to strain this. Okay. That's my granddaughter hitting. Okay, let's go. There we go. I'm going to strain it. Fantastic. Fantastic. Good, 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 good. Go in there. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. Let's reveal this. Oh, look at it. It's fluffy. My goodness. Oh my well. I'm going to enjoy this tea. I'm going to enjoy this tea. My goodness. Let's go. Oh, Lord have mercy. See, you need to be here to taste this. It's beautiful. Fantastic. My goodness. Thank God for creating food, healthy food for our healing. This is very nutritious tea. It's a herbal tea, healing, full of healing properties. Cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, the black tea, the almond milk, and even the brown sugar. Amazing, because I don't have the honey. And then the ginseng. Ginseng is full of energy. And ginger. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, look, even this has honey. Okay, so that's it. To your health, stay blessed. Speak to the health coach, Lady P. Please go to my YouTube channel, Trinity Health and Beauty TV, and then like, comment, subscribe, and share. Support me. Please support me. If you love what I'm doing and you think I'm doing something good to help humanity, educate people in health and wellness, and it's so good and you like it, please go to my YouTube channel and just like and just subscribe. All right? And let this mission of mine to change lives through health and wellness, let it go far for me, please. All right, then. To your health, stay blessed. Cheers.